In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up voice chat on Steam. By the end, you'll have your microphone and speakers selected, your levels adjusted, and your setup tested so you can use Steam voice chat clearly. First, open Steam. Wait for the main window to load. Next, click Friends and Chat in the bottom right corner of the Steam window. This opens the Friends and Chat panel where your chat settings are managed. Now, click the Settings gear icon in the Friends and Chat panel. This opens the configuration window for chat and voice. From here, go to Voice. You'll see options for your microphone, speakers, and input levels. Set your input device. Click the input device drop down and select the microphone you want to use. Pick the exact mic name you recognize, such as a USB mic or your headset mic. Selecting the correct input ensures your voice comes from the right source. Set your output device. Click the output device drop down and choose your headphones or speakers where you want to hear voice chat. If you use a headset, select the headset output so voices play through it and not your speakers. Adjust input volume and sensitivity. Drag the input volume slider to set how loud your microphone signal is. Then adjust sensitivity, which controls how easily Steam picks up your voice. A lower sensitivity picks up quieter sounds. A higher sensitivity requires you to speak up. Aim for a setting where normal speaking triggers the input meter without clipping or cutting off softer words. Click Start Microphone Test. Speak in a normal tone. You should see the input indicator respond to your voice, and you'll hear a short playback of what Steam detects. If your voice is too quiet or too loud, adjust the input volume and sensitivity sliders while the test is running until your voice sounds clear and consistent without background noise overpowering you. Repeat a quick phrase and listen again to confirm the changes. Click OK or Apply to save your settings. This locks in your microphone, output device, and level adjustments for Steam Voice Chat. Your Steam Voice Chat is now set up and tested, ready to use in chats and games. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.